Select the bracket with the Artilume logo and place it at the front. Place the bracket with limited posts on the right. Put the other long graduated bracket on the left. Position the bracket with the main board at the rear. Place the X-axis bracket in the center and ensure the laser direction aligns with the logo direction. Take out the screws from the screw pack in step 1. Take out the M for wrench from the toolkit. Assemble the adjacent brackets with screws. The 4 corners are assembled in the same way. Thread the assembled brackets through the X-axis along the pulleys starting from the main board side. Take out the 4 support feet and place them in position just like this. Take out the screws from the screw pack in step 2. Take out the M3 wrench from the toolkit. Secure the supporting feet to the bracket with screws. The 4 corners are assembled in the same way. Take out the fittings from the screw pack for step 3. Face the belt gear downwards. Pass the belt under the guide rail through the first pulley. Go around the upper gear. Then thread it through the second pulley and pull the belt tight. Thread one end of the belt through the hole on the supporting foot. Tighten the M5 screw with the washer installed. Tighten the belt on the other end, then slide the machine. Tighten the screws afterwards. Operate the other belts in the same way. Push the X main shaft all the way to the main board side. Cut the cable tie on the main wire. Connect the 6-pin connector in the middle of the main cable to the motor. Connect the 2-pin connector to the Y-axis limit switch. Connect the 6-pin connector at the very end to the motor. Connect the 2-pin connector to the X-axis limit switch. Secure the middle section of the main cable above the Y-axis motor with cable ties. Fix the end of the main cable above the X-axis motor. Install the laser module and connect the 3-pin connector to the laser module. Installation completed.